enroll using BSRS. First, of course, you sign in, then verify. Then as you can see sa dashboard nyo, merong mga small icons dito in which profile, documents, enrollments, assessments, classes, and programs. Dito tayo sa enrollments. Okay? And then click enroll to a program. Wait nyo lang mag-load ng full. May lalabas po dito. Diretso nyo na i-type yung RQM. Okay? Copy the RQM here. Copy. Okay. So, ito na. I-review nyo lang. RQM, tama ba? Automotive, land, transportation, driving, June 9 to June 28. Empower you edu. Okay. Training for work. So, register for enrollment. Then, register now. Okay. Then, fill out nyo lang ito. Mga applicable. Then, no matter what, mag-fill up na lang kayo kahit na isa dito. Okay? You have to choose something. Of course, if hindi kayo disabled, then no need to fill up here. Okay? Then just proceed to enrollment. Okay? For me, college graduate. And then, the classification is, let's say, yun. Proceed enrollment. Your course registration was successful. So, that's it.